I am not a licensed mobility scooter technician. I do what I do to keep my machine working. If you're having problems with your machine, I suggest going to your dealer. If you add accessories, warranty goes bye-bye. So I just kind of want to enjoy what I can while I can. So I strongly suggest you don't do the things that I do. I make the mistakes so you don't have to. Just to cushion it when it falls. Side. Can't even tell if it's moving. Okay, that's spread out. I guess it's moving. It's moving. I need a bigger hammer. Okay, so the issue I'm having is this just fits inside the tube, and you can see the threads are kind of catching, and then I gotta unscrew it to pull it back out, so I'm gonna get rid of the ends of the threads. Now it's got a little bit of a taper, so hopefully it won't get stuck now. Much better. Except I wasn't paying attention to that. Oh, you bugger. I wasn't watching for that. Come on. I don't want the whole thing to go back in. The hinge is definitely rusty, hinge pin. It's not creaking, but it is rusty. There it goes. That's what I wanted. Can't get that out yet. Okay, other side. Looks better. Oh, no you don't. No you don't, no you don't. You're not allowed to come out. I'm getting exhausted just walking back and forth here. I saw that. No, not yet. Okay, that's out. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I should be able to pull that pin right out now. Okay. Well, I have been lubricating it, guys, but apparently the lubricant's not getting inside. So I don't know what else I can do, because I've cut slots. You can barely see them now, but I cut slots in the little plastic spacers so I could get lubricant inside, but obviously it's not working all that well. Now I gotta unscrew my bar, get the ramrod out, and then watch everything fall to the ground. Holy cow. Oh, now I can't unscrew this one. Ow, that hurt. This could take a while. Oh, that helps. Oh my goodness. Everything it works, but I can't sustain that. Holy crap. I wonder. I take these plastic spacers out. I wonder if I can get this back in. There. That'll hold it up for me. Oh, big difference. And of course now I can't get this one out. There we go. So it's straight now. Now that there's no force on it, it's straight. So I'm hoping that means the bearings are toast. I can't see anything on this side, so I gotta get that bolt out. But like I say, now that there's no force on it, that's quite a gap. So it's got these sliders that slide up and down. So if this broke, I kind of thought about this afterward. If it broke, ow! And I hit my head on it, right? I kind of figured if it broke, it wouldn't fall apart because these sliders would hold it in. But as you can see, they don't really hook onto this. The other side, you can really tell. Maybe I'll move the camera over there. So on this side you can see they are kind of sticking out a little bit. So whatever they've got on here, I don't know if it's a washer or what it is. It's worn out. Only the bottom half is still overlapping. But this side they're gone completely. So I'll probably see if I can take this off and stick a washer or two in there, just so it's overlapping that again and it's not going to come apart. I got thinking, if this fell apart when I was driving it, this is going to hold it on. It's not going to actually fall apart completely. But now that I see this, yeah, it wouldn't take much for that to slide out of there. So here's a perfect example of what I was talking about. You can see the holes here. The hole there, the hole there, the hole there. All these bars have holes in them. There's salt crap up inside there. So like I say, no matter what I do to the outside, you know, the inside's going to get salt in them. There's nothing. They're going to rot from the inside out. Kind of like the front bumper. Yeah, excuse me. Everyone, I don't know why they do that. So, hole here, hole here, hole here, hole here, here, here. You know, there's salt up inside of there. So at some point in time, these bars are going to rot just from the inside out, and eventually collapse, probably at the worst possible time. I'm not expecting it. It's insane.